up guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that my fiance picked up this 22 wide body charger, and I've made videos on everything that we've done to the car so far. So this video is really just to recap everything we've done. There's going to be one thing that I'm going to mention that we have not received yet, so I'm still waiting on that. It's an oil catch can from Billet Technologies. It's been 2 months. It's a Tor Red catch can. I don't know what the holdup is. 2 weeks ago they said it was supposed to be here last week. Now this week they said next week, so we'll see. Not bashing them because I know that they are very popular and they'll get it done eventually. Sucks that I've had to wait almost 2 months for it, but it is what it is. So again, this is a completely subjective video. All of these things I'm going to go over are totally optional. It's just something that I highly recommend everybody does. And not even just on the wide body, but even the regular bodies as well. And like always, everything's going to be linked down below. And I'm going to go through the entire list from least expensive to most expensive. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so starting off with the Lux tail light tint. Cheap, under 40 bucks, looks excellent. Just a nice clean look. You know, you get the whole black center and then of course your outer red ring. Really completes the whole back. Nice clean look. And of course the next thing is going to be the ZL1 add-ons rock guards. Highly important in my opinion. Protects your paint, keeps some dust off of the side of the vehicle as well. So for the wide body folks, the fronts, these are factory. This car came with the rock guards on the front. So of course for you regular body guys, you're going to have to buy the front and rears. So remember that guys, if you're ordering one of these, don't worry about buying all four corners because these are going to come on the vehicle from the factory. They are riveted on. So for the wide body guys, you're only going to need the rears. Unless you want them to match. Hopefully I can make it out in the video. So the ZL1 add-ons have a bit of a texture to them. See if, yeah, there you go. And then the factory ones are more smooth. I mean, to the naked eye, you're never gonna see it. So if you're anal, and I am, but of course this is my fiance's car, she doesn't care, then buy all four corners. Alright guys, moving on to the next, of course, is going to be brake pad swap. So mainly for the 6-piston guys, I highly recommend Power Stop pads. I will link down below the ones that I put on. I also have a video on those, of course. Huge difference. I mean, massive 110% improvement over the factory Brembo pads. Dust is just about non-existent anymore. We got probably 300 miles on these pads and they perform just like factory Brembo ones. People are saying, you know, you're not going to get the stopping power going to the Z23s. It's been fine. No brake fade, nothing like that. So Z23, or you can upgrade to the Z26s. I did the Z23s because that's the most popular and they seem to work fine. But must do that if you want nice clean wheels and you don't want your Brembo paint ruined on the caliper. Definitely do a quick swap. Under 100 bucks, takes you an hour. So of course for the next one it's going to be the catch can. Can't show that to you yet because it is not here, but when it does show up I will make a video on that. Catch can is definitely important. I used to like bash them, not really bash them, but I used to say that they were pointless. I've never owned one. I've had 6 Hemi cars, never once put one on it, never really noticed a difference without having it. But since having my 21 Scat, which was the first car I ever put one on, I mainly just wanted more paint under the hood. It definitely does work. Really nice peace of mind, I guess, knowing that you're catching that extra oil. So after seeing the results on my 21, I'm going to say it's definitely a must-do. For the last thing, number 5, is going to be exhaust. This is extremely subjective. There's guys who like just putting little mini bullets in. There's guys like me who love full 3-inch stainless exhaust. There's guys who just want to do mid muffler deletes. There are a handful of different exhaust setups, and my opinion, go full exhaust. Sounds better. No, again, subjective. Sounds better in my opinion. You get full 3-inch exhaust. Looks better. You don't have, you know, mismatched mini bullets under the car, and plus most of the exhaust systems come with brackets to delete the exhaust valves, so that's another plus. I do have a couple videos on, of course, the AWE that we put on this one, and AFE that I put on my 21. Both sound killer. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I do have videos on those. It's just a cleaner sound you get with full exhaust. I know people who just want it loud. All right, if you just want it loud and you want cheap, then by all means cut your mid mufflers out. If you want more performance, if you want a better sound, a more smoother sound, it's not as raspy, and you want to delete the exhaust valves all in one time, then you're definitely going to want to go full exhaust. Again, completely subjective, but some type of exhaust is, in my opinion, a must. Yes, these cars sound great stock, but they sound even better with an exhaust. It doesn't matter what you do, mid muffler delete, full exhaust, mini bullets, they all sound great. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. I just wanted to recap everything that we've done on the car and go over the most important things that you should do to it right off the bat. Again, you know, the rock guards, the brake pads, that stuff is just to protect the car, in my opinion. You know, you're protecting the side from rocks, and, you know, less brake dust, the better. I mean, that ruins the finish on the wheels and the calipers. So that is going to do it for this video, guys, and I hope this helps you. Again, everything's going to be linked down below so that you can find it easily, and all updated pricing. So until next time, we will catch you on the next one.